Meditation is not a skill you can master overnight. It's a journey that reveals its secrets slowly, breath by breath. Are you ready to take the first step?
I think so, but honestly, I don't know what to expect. I've heard that meditation brings peace, but my mind is too chaotic for that. It's hard for me to even sit still.
Smiling calmly, the restlessness you feel is natural. Meditation often brings up what we've been avoiding. Your task isn't to quiet the mind right away, but to sit with the chaos. Observe it without judgment. The student takes a seat, attempting to follow the master's guidance, but almost immediately, their thoughts begin to race. With every second, the urge to move or give up grows stronger. Frustration builds.
This is much harder than I thought. I feel like I'm fighting myself. How is this supposed to help?
This is the first lesson of meditation, patience. We are so used to moving from one thing to the next, but here there's nowhere to go, nothing to achieve. Let each thought pass without attaching to it. When you feel like you're struggling, return to the breath. Taking a deep breath, the student tries again, focusing on their inhalation and exhalation. For a brief moment, there's a hint of calm until another wave of thoughts takes over.
I feel like I'm failing. Why can't I focus? Everyone says it's supposed to be simple.
Gently. In meditation, there's no such thing as failure. Each time you return to the breath, even after distraction, you strengthen your focus. Meditation isn't about achieving perfect stillness. It's about coming back to yourself over and over without judgment. Days pass, and despite frustration and discomfort, the student continues the practice with persistence. Each morning, they sit, attempting to focus on the breath and let thoughts pass. Slowly, they begin to experience small moments of peace, fleeting but noticeable. The master observes, patiently guiding them through each challenge. One morning during meditation, the student experiences a profound stillness. It's not the absence of thought, but a quiet acceptance of everything within. They sit, feeling a peace they have never felt before, a peace that fills them with unexpected joy. After the session, the student opens their eyes, an expression of wonder on their face.